Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's move to today's lecture. First of all, we will draw the shape tool design to the screen. Change the color style. Color style is created here. Then we will draw another shape design to the screen and change the colorization effect. Color is created here. You can add and draw multiple numbers of shapes here with multiple numbers of color. Add colorization effect. Add and draw the shape. Then select and choose the colorization effect. Color is created here. If you want to change the color of the shape, it will be updated here.